Alright guys, so guess where we're going? We're moving to Japan. We're going to talk about why we decided to move to Japan. So yeah, if you could leave me a comment on why, if you like Japan and what reasons you would move there. So yeah, let's get to it. So number one is we kind of looking for a change of scenery, want something a little different. It's kind of getting tired of Hong Kong a little bit, because I kind of want to live in a place that has seasons, and Hong Kong has hot and less hot, and the leaves only stay green all year round. So we kind of want to change the scenery. Next thing is I don't know what's gonna happen with the protests, so I guess I just wanna get out of here before the other shoe drops. Something, you know, you never know if whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen, right? So that's one of the other reasons. It's not the main reason, but it's a concern, so yeah. And next thing is, it's always, like, ever since, I guess, when I was little, been really interested in Japanese culture in Japan, and it's always been my, I guess, maybe since I was, like, middle school age, something like that. It's been my dream to go to Japan and not live there, but I always wanted to travel, and then travel became like I want to live there. So yeah, I really want to live there because we traveled there like a few years ago to Tokyo, and we went to all these different places, and it's amazing. It's nice and clean. People are really friendly and like to get to know you if you're a foreigner, and it's just really nice experience when we went. So yeah, and I've been doing a lot of research in different areas of Japan, and the quality of living apparently is a lot better than Hong Kong because we're getting all that pollution from China and stuff. So then it's good to want to raise a family there, things like that, and just looking towards our future. So Japan seems to be a good fit for our future. And last thing, most important for my husband, is concerts and music scene and things like that. It's like Japan more fits our personality than Hong Kong. I mean, like, the music here, you can't really find the type of bands and stuff that we like to go see, like the heavy metal stuff and whatnot. Japan is just, I guess, more open-minded when it comes to that type of music and stuff like that, because Hong Kong, you can't really find much stuff unless it's like underground. It's not any of the popular ones anyways. So yeah, we have like the concert festivals in Tokyo and stuff like that we can go to and whatnot, and also like that Japan is really quirky and stuff, and really want to visit and go there and live there. It'd be awesome. In Easter, we're looking to go to Osaka, so around April-ish, I should be putting a video out about our trip to Osaka, so stay tuned for that. And let me know what your reasons would be to move to another country and what country you would choose in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big like, hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and we will see you next time. Bye!